Concept 3, combining like terms to solve algebraic equations. Alright, so up until now we've been simplifying expressions. So there's been no equal sign, right? It's just been a list of terms. And we have been sometimes having more than one variable, okay, that we've been adding or subtracting. And so now we're looking at solving equations. So we're just going to have one variable, and our goal is to isolate that variable, to get it alone on one side, and then get it equal to, get it so there's just one of the variables. So there's just one x. All right. So our first step is to combine like terms. So I've got 5x is equal to 15. It's 3x plus 2x is 5x. Okay. And now I want to isolate the variable. In this case, I kind of have already isolated it, right? My variable is all alone on one side. So now I'm going to solve for my variable, divide by 5, divide by 5, and I've got x is equal to 15 divided by 5, or 3. Okay, not too bad. All right, let's do a couple more. So this one, same type of thing. Now I've got one of my terms is negative, so 9x minus 2x, or 7x, is equal to 49. Got my variable isolated. Now I need to solve for 1x. I'm going to divide by 7, and 49 over 7. 7 times 7 is 49. So 49 over 7 is going to be x equals 7. Okay. All right. So now I've got some like terms on each side. I've got multiple terms on each side, so I need to combine those first. So I've got a 1x plus 5x plus 10x, which would be 16x. And that's going to be equal to 56 plus 48. 50 plus 40 is 90. 6 plus 8 is 14. So 90 plus 14 is 104. Okay. And now I've isolated my variable. I need to solve for it. Divide by 16. Divide by 16. I'm going to use my calculator on this one. 104 divided by 16. 6.5. So x is equal to 6.5. Okay. All right. And now we're going to do another one. This one is a little bit different because I've got not just values of x on this side. I've also got just a number. So I'm going to have to get rid of that before I can have my variable isolated. So I've got negative 7x plus 3x. Combine my like terms first. So 3 minus 7, negative 4x plus 5 equals 21. Okay. My goal is to get this by itself, get my variable isolated. So I need to move my 5 away. I can't divide by 5 because that'll leave me with 5 over 5 or 1. I'll still have a number over here, and I'll have to divide everything else by 5. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. Okay, and that'll leave me with negative 4x plus 0 is equal to 21 minus 5, or 16. Okay, I've got my variable isolated. Now I'm just going to solve for it. Don't get too worried about that negative sign. It just means your answer is going to be a negative. Okay, but you're still going to do your all your steps the same way. So 16 over negative 4, or 16 divided by 4. My answer is going to be negative. That's 4 over 1, or just negative 4. Okay. All right.